So the customer agent in HubSpot is super cool. I've been spending a ton of time with it and burning through credits in demo portals. And I've realized that one of the most talked about abilities and features is how it can handle tasks autonomously. But we've been talking a lot as a team, and just as important as it is for it to be able to handle these tasks solo, we also want it to know when we need to train it and teach it when a human handoff is absolutely necessary. There's always going to be times when you want a human involved. So you think high urgency, sensitive issues, big problems, anything super complex where you know you need a human to jump in. So let's take a look at that in action. I have a demo page pulled up here, and I'm going to start a chat and say, I have a major issue. Awesome. So it gets back to us. We understand you have an urgent concern. Before I can connect you to a human agent, can you please provide your email? So I'm going to put in a new email here and go ahead and send that over. So right now, what's happening behind the scenes, the agent has recognized that there is a huge issue, potentially urgent message. So instead of trying to handle it on its own, it's going to escalate this to a human. So in this case, it's going to route it, we'll see here in a minute, directly to a person so that they can jump in and respond actually in this chat. Awesome. So you see, I've popped up here. It's been assigned to me. I'd be happy to transfer you to a human. Please hold for a moment. So now we're waiting for the human on the back end to respond. So from the customer's perspective, what we're seeing here, there is no friction. It just feels like a natural handoff. But I can show you how this looks in the actual portal. So if we go over to service and the help desk, see that email that we used, Jordan9076. Here we go. Awesome. So you can see this is happening in real time. Now you have a person connecting with them. So I can show you how this actually is set up within the customer agent. So you can come over here to human handoff, and this is where you're going to set up when that handoff happens. So system triggers, you can see major issue here is one of the triggers, and that's what we used in ours. And then you go in and you set all of this up for how you want it to treat the human handoff. So you can see the ticket was sent to the help desk, assigned to Jordan. If no human agent is available, the customer agent will send the message, close the chat, all those kinds of things. So whether it's a big billing issue, it's an escalation, it's a high value prospect, you can control exactly when that handoff happens and how those customers or users are treated. So we're always keeping in mind their experience. And the big value here is that balance. So we're going to let the agent handle the repetitive, scalable work, and we're going to bring humans in exactly when and where they add the most value, which is major issues. Can I speak to someone? We have an outage, those kinds of deals.